Guaranteed. Warning. This analog horror looked very good, so I was concerned. You know what? Hold on. Let's switch this bad boy. Boom. Red. It's darker. Oh, we got a little house. Ambient environment.
Hey kids, Mommy is going to the forest to get food
Mommy.
for us. Do not open the door under any circumstances while I'm away. The big bad wolf is loose in the forest, and if you open the door, he will eat you all. If he knocks on the door, you won't have any problems recognizing him. He has a gruff voice, haunting eyes, clawed hands. You will know it will not be me. Do not open the door and hide immediately until I get home. He is very dangerous.
Okay, Mom. Don't worry about us. We'll take care. Come back soon.
Goodbye,
See you
Mom.
soon. Take care.
Yep. See ya. Did you just go into the void? What happened? Wait, that was not outside. Oh. See you later, Mom. What'd she say she was doing? I don't even remember, I'm not gonna lie. That sun was so creepy. Get... we've got an apple.
I think this much food is necessary to feed them.
I think you are out
better go
way
home.
too late. Oh. Nah, that would be the wolf.
Wolf,
We look
you scared me.
pretty chill, though.
Hello. What are you doing in the forest?
I lied. I lied so badly. He still
I'm
looks
just
kind of
getting
chill.
food for my kids. Please, Mr. Wolf, don't do anything to me. I have to feed my children. I just want to go home. Please.
He might be understanding.
You should be more careful. Walking in the forest at these times can be dangerous.
Oh, maybe he's just giving a warning, you know? I don't think run. Oh, she took off. Maybe she'll make it out of this. She's moving quite well. You were so dead. You're just gonna cut to black and the kid's gonna be like, "Where's Mom?" and all that stuff. Guaranteed.
Guys, it's getting late and Mom hasn't come back yet. I'm getting worried.
Your mother was just brutally murdered.
Look, don't worry. She should be arriving soon. Mom takes a while sometimes.
That's true. There was a time she took even longer than this, so I don't think there's anything to worry about. Of course there's something to worry about. Don't you remember what she told us about the big bad
That's true.
wolf?
That's true.
He's loose in the
Might
forest.
be in time to save your
What
mother.
if he got her?
Relax, brother. Mom is smart. And that big bad wolf is probably not a big deal. If he knocks on our door, we'll do what she told us and he'll probably go away.
Okay.
You seemed a little more aggressive. The fucking Roblox moon, dude. What is that about?
Guys, it's really late and our mom hasn't come back. We need to go see what happened to her.
You're
Good
right,
man.
but we can't leave the house. She told us to stay here. She might have taken shelter somewhere since it's getting late. I don't know.
Maybe.
That's true, bro. Going outside at this hour could be dangerous.
It could be.
Especially with the story about the big bad wolf she told us. It's better to wait until sunrise, and then we'll go look for our mom. Look, I'm not gonna stay here waiting while my mom could be in danger out there in the forest, so if you're not going,
What a good little
I
son.
will.
Ah, dude, I'll be out that door right with you. My man, dude. Look at it. Okay, I don't like the way you walk
Don't
like that,
go,
though.
brother.
Oh,
It's
fucking-
dangerous.
What are we doing? Like, why on earth would you... I
Who's
think
there?
the wolf is there.
Let me, little children. Your mother is here waiting for you.
We're not going to open it. Go away now. We
Yeah,
know
you
who
show
you
'em,
are,
little one.
And if you
Yeah.
don't leave, you'll stay out there forever.
Ooh, forever. Did you say sure? He's flanking. Call outs, dude. Call. He's running. Is he gonna jump through the window? Don't. I see 3 that might not be hidden well enough. Let me tell you. Oh. What did you do? It... Daisy. Oh, we're not gonna continue the song anymore, apparently. Oh, he knows. Oh my god. He found us. Oh no. Hold on, he might not know. No, he knows. Oh. Yep. I think he knows. You're not safe, little one. But just snap his neck to telekinesis. Nowhere to run, little one. I'm sorry. Your time is now. I'm sorry. But the big bad wolf is coming for you.
Hello?
That does not look like
Who's
the wolf.
there?
Is it like your mother? She back from... Oh my... They did not do well. Where did they go? Did he clean... Where am I? That's what I'm asking, dude. You just get... Oh, that one doesn't have an arm. We're dead, son. We are. You're dead, son. We are. What? Mom? Brothers? The wolf has caught us. Now our soul belongs to what? Her? What? Who the hell is her? No, I'm invested now. Oh, he left. We have a chance. Well, there's still 2 left? Two, maybe?
Guys, I think we'd better
did
get
not leave.
out of
He
here
did not
before
leave.
we're the next ones to be taken. I'm so scared if we leave, we're gonna get caught. But we have to go,
Y'all do
brother.
not
Either
sound
we
scared.
try to escape and stay alive, or we sit here waiting to die. There's no other way. Is
No, there's
that
not.
a camera? Yes, brother.
Flashbang the wolf.
We could
Genius.
record and show the footage to some local authority if we make it out alive. He's right. Let's record everything.
Not happening.
If we make
Not
it out,
happening.
someone needs to see what happened here. Okay, let's leave quietly and head toward the exit door all
That's
together.
true. I do think he's in the house. I don't know if it's really gonna work. But maybe.
All right, I think it's recording.
Nice.
Remember, stay silent. Let's
Yeah,
go
you're
toward the
talking
house's
right now.
exit door. Run, brother!
Oh shit, he's out. He made it out of the digital realm. He's in a real forest now. Oh shit, he's moving.
Look what he did to our mom! Come on, we need to find help.
Damn it.
Brother?
That was terrifying. Do like acted chip. Is that the wolf? Did something just kill the wolf? Who was that white maiden? I'm confused. I'm perplexed at the moment. Oh, someone did find the footage. Who's it gonna be? The cop? It is not the cops. He looks serious, though. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, That's Hansel and Gretel. Okay. I would say they're in good hands, but they're dead. So I guess everyone else is in good hands, right, Hansel? Dude, is that an AK-47?